Alright, well, I made some progress. I got the interior out. Got it pretty well gutted. Can't get these door handles off. These back two are different. I got everything off, cleaned up. So that's our rest patch right there. I unwrapped the steering wheel. It had one of these wraps on it. The steering wheel is actually in really good shape. It's not cracked or anything. I don't know why they had it wrapped. It looks good. Got the radio out, got the speakers out, got everything out. Completely gutted. All the trim pieces that were here are off. Just have one stubborn screw here. I'm going to get an extractor. Otherwise, everything came out. So I'm going to wash all this really good. Clean it and paint it all before I put the new carpet and stuff in. There's all my chrome that came off the doors and the interior panels. I bought a new dash pad, but this one's actually nice and soft. And there's some little cracks where the screw holes are. But I might be able to just paint that, clean it up real good and paint it again, and just leave it in there. It's like a $300 part. So this thing was crunched in the quarter panel. Right in here somewhere, it looks like it was the most impact. But nothing in here is damaged. Wheel well on here. This stuff's all fine. So it just barely rubbed whatever it was. So I got to get a new quarter panel for back here. New trunk lid and a new quarter panel, and have it all put on by a shop. Which actually works out good because the only little spot there's rust on this thing, other than the floor, is right here. So when I have this quarter panel replaced, that will be replaced too. So talking about catching two stones with one bird. Yep, so there we are. That's where we're at so far. I'm going to clean up everything real good. Scrub everything with a SOS pad. Clean everything really good. Then weld the new flooring eventually. And put my carpet kit, put it all back in. I'm looking for a set of hubcaps for this thing. I only have two. I would like to do rally caps instead of these dog dishes. I don't know if it's possible. These are little 13-inch wheels. I need the trim for the driver's side. Trim that goes along here. It's missing. Okay, thanks for watching.